Now let us understand the offset command in Siemens NX. In the Home tab, go to the offset. Here you can select the face. We are selecting a single face. You can see there are different options. You have single face, tangent face, adjacent faces, feature face, region boundary faces, boss or pocket, rib faces or slot faces. Let us start with the single face. I'm going to offset it by 5 mm, and as you can see, similar to move, you have offset of 5 mm, and click OK. But right now let us try to use another offset option. So I'm going to undo the offset which was created. Let us create another offset, but this time let us select tangent faces. So I'm going to select this and this, and right now I'm giving an offset of 5 mm. You can see the feature has scaled or expanded by 5 mm since we had selected all the three faces. Click OK, and as you can see, the offset has been created.